Question number 2 from chapter 7 speed book page number 152. A toy car moves 100 centimeter in 5 seconds. What is the speed in centimeter per second? Here we have to understand that what we have to find here and what will be the formula. So and what the values are given. So first we write down the data, what the values are given and what we have to find out. So first we write data here. First time is given, that is 5 seconds. Distance is also given, that is 100 centimeter, and we have to find its speed. Now for solution we write down the formula of speed, that is distance divided by time. Students, you must follow these steps to properly solve your questions in exam, so that this will be helpful for you in solution. Now we put values that are given in data. The distance is 100 centimeter and the time is 5 seconds. Now we try to simplify these numbers. We divide these both numbers, denominator and numerator, with same table. So we divide both numbers by 5. 1 is the 5 and 520 is the 100. You can say that 52 is the 10 and we put 0 as it is. So the answer will be here, the values will be 20 over 1, 20 centimeter per 1 second. Now the answer is 20 centimeter per second. We write the answer as the speed of the toy car is 20 centimeter per second. Hope you understand this. This is very easy and simple. You can easily solve it. So if you have any question, please ask me. But I again request you, you must follow all these steps. Write down data. Then in solution, first you have to write formula. Then put values inside the formula that are given in data. Then we will simplify those numbers and the answer will become here. And also write down the answer in statement. This is a good practice to understand. So hope you understand this beta. If you have any query, please ask me again. I will explain it. Thank you very much.